Hey, so today we're going to test out our app. It's called Translate. And essentially what it's supposed to do is it takes input of English, whether it's written or spoken, and it will translate that to you translate that into a language of your choice for you and return that. Essentially the translation will get sent to our backend where a live translator will give you a result and send it back to you. Okay, so yeah, essentially the three main things we're testing here today is we're testing translating a written English text into the foreign language of your choosing, spoken English into a foreign language of your choosing, and being able to save and retrieve these translations.
Okay.
So keep in mind that we are testing the app and we're not testing you. So if you feel uncomfortable at any minute, just let us know. And of course the camera is on you as well. So just let us know if you have any issues with that. So yeah, and so this is essentially an interactive screen. So feel free to touch and interact with it however you like. And I will respond with the appropriate screens that corresponds to that interaction. Okay, and so yeah, while you're doing this, just make sure to say out loud what you're doing, as well as why you're doing it and your thought process behind it, so we can get as much information as possible. And yeah, so there's some features that are currently under construction, so you'll see this screen, and we'll just help you out with that. But if you need help understanding any of the buttons or anything like that, just try your best, and I will interact appropriately for that.
Okay.
Do you have any questions?
No.
All right, great. You can go ahead whenever you want.
Okay. Looks like the first thing I'm going to do is select a language. And I'm going to select German. Okay. Looks like I'm doing English to German. And it looks like I'm going to type my text here. Okay, I'm going to type hello, have that be translated. Okay, looks like I have a new text to be translated, so I'm going to press go and have that translated. Okay, 4 stars, looks good. I'm going to confirm. Okay, looks like I have translated text and audio. Looks good. I'm going to give them 4 stars and save. Okay, looks like I have a new saved translation. I'm going to view the new saved translation. Okay, looks good. I'm going to go back. Okay, looks like I would click this button to record. Okay, looks like it's recording. I'm going to say hello, have that be recorded, and press stop. Okay, looks like I have a new audio. I'm going to translate that. Okay, looks good. I'm going to confirm. Okay, I have the audio. I'm going to play it. Sounds good. I'm going to stop. Cool. And I will save it. Okay. Looks like I have a saved translation.
All right, great. Thank you. Hey, so we're doing a demo of our app today. It's called Translate. And essentially what it does is provide an input of English through text or through audio, it will be sent to our translator in the back end, and they'll translate it in whatever language foreign language you like, and you will get the output back from that. So yeah, so I just want you to know that what we're doing is observing the app and not you. And at any point, if you feel uncomfortable, I know that the camera's on you, just let us know. It's no problem. And so yeah, so essentially we're gonna highlight 3 main tasks here. The first task is to translate written English into the foreign translation. The second is to get spoken English into the foreign translation. And the third is to be able to store these translations that you receive. So when you're interacting with this app, just make sure you think out loud and let us know what you're doing and why you're doing it. And just try to give as much information as possible. Okay, do you have any questions?
Nope.
Okay, cool. All right, so you can go ahead.
All right, so it looks like the first thing I will try to do is change the language to translate to. I will select French. All right, so now I will tap here to translate a text. I will type hello and submit it to be translated. All right, so now it looks like I have one new text to be translated here, so I will proceed. Okay, so it looks like this translator has 4 stars, so I will confirm and use their translation. Alright, and here it looks like the text to be translated, so I will give them 4 stars and save. Alright, now I will do a recording of a translate. I have to pick a new language, so I'll do a new language drop down here. Here I will translate to Portuguese. Okay, and now I will do my voice recording translation. And translate hello and press stop. Alright, it looks like I have my new audio here to be translated, so I will proceed. Alright, and here's a translator with 4 stars, so I will confirm and use them. Alright, and here I can view the audio that they selected, so I'll have to play, and it sounds good, so I'll stop, and I will save the audio translation. Alright, and here I have my saved audio translation, so I will proceed over and use the saved audio. I will listen to it again. Sounds good, just like the old one, so I will stop and go back. Good.